let's dive right in. Today we're talking Edge Wallet,
Okay.
say mobile cryptocurrency wallet, and we've got some excerpts here about how it works and what it does.
Cool.
And so if you're interested in managing your crypto assets
Yeah.
securely on your phone,
Yeah.
while you're out and about,
Right.
Edge Wallet's a pretty interesting option to check out.
Mm-hmm.
One thing that really stood out to me is their emphasis on this zero-knowledge security.
Yes.
So what exactly does that mean for someone who's maybe not familiar with that term?
So zero knowledge just means that the company itself or any third parties
Right.
can't access your funds
Okay.
or your data. So it's very secure in that sense.
So it's like even Edge, the company that makes the wallet.
Exactly.
They can't see my stuff.
They cannot.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the whole point. It's like this kind of impenetrable vault
right.
that only you have the key to.
That's pretty impressive. And then on top of that, they also have that client-side encryption. So my data is getting encrypted on my device before it's even sent anywhere.
That's right.
Okay, so even if someone managed to intercept it somehow,
It's completely useless.
they couldn't.
It's just gibberish to them.
It'd just be like a bunch of random.
Exactly.
Okay.
Nonsense.
All right, so that sounds incredibly secure, but what about actually using my crypto?
Right.
But it can't just be about keeping it safe.
Yeah.
What can I actually do with it within the Edge wallet?
Yeah, so it's actually designed to be pretty user-friendly.
Okay.
So creating an account's really simple. You don't need to know a lot about seed phrases or anything complicated. It's just your standard username and password. And then the interface itself is very intuitive.
Oh, so it's not going to scare away people who aren't super tech savvy.
Exactly. And you can actually manage tons of different types of cryptocurrencies.
Oh, wow.
Not just Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Okay, so it's kind of like an all-in-one shop for all your crypto needs.
That's the idea.
So you're not constantly having to switch between different platforms and stuff.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's really meant to be a kind of consolidated platform for everything.
And I see they even have features like buying and selling crypto within the app.
Yes.
And even buying gift cards with crypto.
Yeah, so you can actually use it for real-world purchases.
Which is pretty cool. I do have a question, though, about the two-factor authentication.
Mm-hmm.
Is that really necessary? I know it's for security, but sometimes it feels like kind of a pain.
It is an extra layer of security. It really does make a big difference
Okay.
in terms of preventing unauthorized access. And you can customize the settings, too, so it's not overly burdensome.
Okay, so it's not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing.
Exactly.
All right, well, that's good to know. And I also saw that you can add wallets for different currencies, which is really nice.
Yes.
As your portfolio maybe expands.
You don't have to keep downloading different apps for all your different cryptos.
Right, okay.
Keeps everything organized in one spot. And it actually ties into another key feature of Edge, privacy.
Okay.
So they actually require zero personal information to set up an account.
So you can be pretty anonymous.
Pretty much.
Which kind of aligns with the whole decentralized
Absolutely.
philosophy of crypto in the first place.
It's your data. You should control it.
Right.
No one else should have access to it without your consent.
Okay, so that's a pretty big deal. Now, one thing I did notice is they don't have a desktop version yet.
That is true.
Is that something they're working on? Or are they just focusing on mobile?
I think for now, they're really trying to perfect the mobile experience.
Okay,
And to be honest, most people are using their phones for pretty much everything these days anyway.
that's true.
So I think it makes sense to kind of focus on that as the primary platform.
And it does seem like their mobile app is incredibly robust and
It is. It has everything you need.
feature-rich.
And if you ever have any problems, they do have great in-app support. You can contact them directly through the app and they'll help you out with whatever issues you're having.
And they've got open source code so people can actually look at the code
Yeah.
and see if there are any security vulnerabilities or anything.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool. So Edge Wallet is not standing still.
No.
They are constantly innovating
Right.
and
They are.
improving. And one of the recent developments I saw was adding support for privacy coins like Monero.
Yes. That's a big one.
So what's the significance of that?
It really shows that they're listening to the needs of their users
Okay.
because there's a growing demand for, enhanced privacy and anonymity
Right.
when it comes to transactions.
There's
And
that.
Monero is one of the leading privacy coins out there.
And Monero is particularly focused on the anonymity
Yes, the transactions are completely untraceable,
of the transactions themselves.
which is a big deal for a lot of people,
Right.
especially in the world of cryptocurrency where everything is supposed to be decentralized and anonymous.
Right. And they've also integrated with services like THORChain.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about what that means for the user.
So THORChain allows for cross-chain token swaps, meaning you
Okay.
can swap tokens from different blockchains.
Without having to go through an exchange.
Exactly. It's all done seamlessly within the app.
Wow. Okay. So that really does open up a whole new world of possibilities in terms of what you could do with your crypto.
Absolutely. It kind of breaks down the barriers between different blockchains,
Right.
which has always been a problem in the crypto world.
So Edge Wallet's really like pushing the boundaries of what's possible with a mobile wallet.
They are. It's pretty amazing to see how far they've come.
So to wrap things up, Edge Wallet sounds like a really powerful option for managing your crypto on the go.
It is.
It's secure, easy to use, and privacy focused. And they're constantly adding new features and integrations.
Yeah, they're not slowing down anytime soon.
With mobile wallets becoming so advanced, I mean, what do you think this means for the future of like personal finance?
That's a great question. I mean, it's quite possible that we're moving toward a world where people are managing their finances,
Okay.
primarily through their phones.
Okay.
And these mobile wallets are becoming so sophisticated
Right.
that they could actually replace traditional banking for a lot of people.
Yeah, it's definitely something to think about. So if you're interested in learning more about Edge Wallet,
Check it out.
go check it out. It might be the perfect fit for your crypto journey. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
Thank you.
Until next time,
Bye.
keep on exploring the world of crypto.